Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new big and tall office chair. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Just gonna take a look at it. So putting the chair together was actually pretty straightforward. Out of the box, it comes with the seat cushion, the backrest, the armrest, the base, wheels, and gas lift. You also get a toolkit with all the screws and an easy to follow manual. Each screw was secure and the frame feels heavy duty, no flimsy parts. Just note that this is a big chair, so it's best to build it on its side or have someone help hold pieces while you align everything. It took me about 20 to 25 minutes total, and all the tools needed were in the box, but I end up using my electric screwdriver just to speed it up a bit. Once built, this thing looks and feels premium. The seat is extra wide and deep, so there's room to sit cross-legged or shift positions without feeling cramped. It's designed for users for up to 500 pounds, and you can tell by the solid frame and thick padding. The backrest is high enough to fully support your shoulders and head. It also has built-in adjustable lumbar support. You just spin the knob and increase or reduce the tension in the lower back area. That's a big help if you sit for long hours. You've also got the ultra-quiet rubber wheels that glide easily across hardwood or carpet without scratching the floor. They're smooth and there's no squeaking or wobbling when moving around. The base is reinforced metal. It's wide and flat to prevent tipping and gives extra support for heavier weight loads. The faux leather is soft but firm. It doesn't sink too much when you sit, and the stitching and material actually feel like it's holding up over time. It's also easy to wipe down, which is great if you eat at your desk or have pets. Now that I've been using it, here's what stands out. First, the size. It's not just big and tall, it's generally built to handle a larger frame without feeling tight or like it's gonna wear out fast. The padding on the seat has good support. It doesn't go flat after a few hours, and the waterfall edge design takes pressure off the back of your legs, which helps with circulation. I've used standard office chairs before that cut off leg comfort. This one does not do that. Adjusting the height is easy with the gas lift lever, and the chair reclines slightly for lean back comfort without tipping. It doesn't rock, but it just gives you enough to stay relaxed while typing or on calls. The armrests are padded and wide enough to rest your elbows comfortably even if you're working long hours. So if you guys are looking for a new big and tall office chair, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.